Good morning, class 4th. We have done till question number 12. Now we will do question number 13 of exercise 1A. Divide. You have to divide 3545 by 5. First of all, write down the table of 5 in a rough column like this. Now let's begin. Let's take first two digits, 35. Does 35 comes in the table of 5? Yes, it comes at 7. 7 times it will go. 5 sevens are 35. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Now take this 4 down. But 4 alone cannot go by 5. Will not go by 5 now. So we'll put a 0 and take down 5 also. Now see whether 45 comes in the table or not of 5. Yes, it is coming 9 times. So 5 nines are 45. Again 5 minus 5, 0, and 4 minus 4, 0. This question is complete. Okay. When this digit does not go by the divisor, you can take down the other digit also, but for that you have to put a 0, children. Okay, clear? Now let's start exercise 1B. Question number 5, fill in the blanks. Okay. First of all, learn these points, children. In 1 rupee, there are 100 paise. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And in 1 day, there are 24 hours. Okay, is it clear to you? Now we will use this thing for finding these blanks. 50 paisa is equal to rupee dash. So, for converting paisa into rupee, divide by 100. Okay, class. So 50 upon 100, and when you will remove this 0, first of all you see this thing that there is no decimal over here, so we'll consider it in the last. Now when 1 0 will remove, it will jump one time. When one more 0 will remove, it will jump one more time. So 0.50 rupees. Please understand them. Now rupees 25.50 is equal to dash paisa. In book it is given like this. So now in 1 rupee, 100 paise. When you are converting from rupee to paise, you will multiply by 100. So 25.50 into 100. Now this time it is in multiplication. Now the decimal will jump this side. In case of division, it was jumping towards left. Now it will jump towards right. So 1 time jump and 2 time jump. So there is no decimal now, na? It has jumped in the last. So 2550 paise. Now 4200 paise is equal to rupees 4200 upon 100. Just now I told you, na, when you want to change from paisa to rupee, you have to divide by 100, children. Okay. So 4200 upon 100 is equal to 42, because this 0 and this 0 will cancel these zeros. Okay. Now 9875 paise, and you have to change in rupees. When you are converting paisa into rupee, divide by 100. So 9875 upon 100. And here in the last is the decimal. Okay. So 1 0 cancel, it will jump. One more 0 cancel, it will jump more. So 98.75. Now 2 hours is equal to dash minutes. Now children, in 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 2 hours, 2 into 60 minutes. Now you know na multiplication. So 60 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12. So 120 minutes answer. Then 3 days is equal to, now again in 1 day 24 hours. So 3 days, 3 into 24 hours, that is 72 hours. Now this time you will multiply yourself. Now 3 weeks is equal to dash days. Now in 1 day, it is about weeks now. In 1 week, children, there are 7 days. In 1 week there are 7 days. So in 3 weeks 3 into 7 days is equal to 21 days. I hope this much is clear. First you copy down this in your notebooks. Fill in the blanks also you will do in your notebooks. Okay, and if you have got any problem you can call me. Okay class. Thank you. Have a nice day.